Yeah, welcome to FXpreneur Global Limited. Today's date is 22 of September 2022. This is our daily market review on what we're expecting to happen in the market. Just remember that building career and forex trading starts with taking the decision to do all you can against all to transform your financial life by efficiently navigating the financial market, just like bank and every other financial institutions through the training and mentorship of FSBG platform. And we'll look at all the major pairs and also including Gbpjpy, USDCAD, and Gbpjpy, the Nasdaq, US30, and gold. So let's go straight. Before then, try to subscribe and also comment. So this is a dollar index, and this dollar index we have seen that this is actually in level 3. We have first push, second push, and we'll have the third push. Then we'll have the extended stop count here. So, and this actually intercepted with the weekly breaker block. All right, so we're actually expecting to see a sign of reversal from here. All right, that is what we're expecting to see from here. But then we anticipated that the news yesterday was going to little come back down so that we can maybe by next week they will go up. But as you can see, they have to push up first to hit this level, as I believe most persons anticipated that too. So let's go straight to daily. This is what we had daily. And market let's keep to be this morning. This is 4 hours. So I'm taking this out, all right? Then we'll still have our averages and all the stuff here. So I'm taking all this out just to make sure we have clear charts. They've taken out that liquidity. Okay, and I'm taking out all this liquid, all this stuff, this chart markup here. So here we'll have this. So this have to take away this particular stop count. So after that, they never traded into an FVG here. They pushed up to the upside. So based on what we have here, we'll still have an FVG here. This is 4 hours. Let's check where we'll have it on daily. Daily was still the down FVG, which is here. So we'll have this in 4 hours. So I'll be looking forward to see symptom of any sign of reversal, right? And we'll have a little skip here, a little jump here, all right? So we want to see this market kind of play back into this place, right? And possibly to downside a bit. So this is actually a weekly breaker block. So what I'll be expecting to see is I would like to see a little flush above the push above, then they'll find their way to this level before the up movement. So if they didn't take away this high, then from there we can start expecting a kind of a reversal. But if they take away this high, then we'll continue looking at whatever they are looking at. So from now, we're going to stop here. So we're going to another pair, which is Euro USD. Euro USD, we anticipate that this was going to happen down to this level. Then from here, we wanted to see the news push it up, but as you can see, the news further pushed it down. So based on that, so we're taking out this initial projection, but the last end of the whole thing is that they still hit the point, which is this level here. So what I want to see them do this morning is I want to see them play back into this place. Once they play back into this place, I want to see them also push this market down. Then I want to see any sign of reversal here before I start looking to the up move, kind of a reversal. So this is what I'm expecting from here. Then the next one is GPUSD. GPUSD will anticipate the same thing, that they will come back down here. So of course they did this, they kept this level till when it was time for news. It was time for news that this push happened, right? So they used the news to destabilize everyone, right, and push to this downside. And if you check, based on level count, we'll have the first push, retracement, second push, retracement, the third push. So it is ideal to begin to expect a kind of a reversal here, because in 4 hours we'll have level one, level two, level three count. So we want to see them give us at least 50% retracement before going down. So what I would like to see this morning is actually I want to see these guys play kind of a game into this particular fair value gap here, then push it down to come in and create a level they are going to stop hunt and possibly give me a quasi pattern. Then I begin to expect it to reverse possibly to this side. And this reversal, actually I'll be expecting that to happen next week. But if they give us that tomorrow, today market may not really move the way most of us would be anticipating to, because yesterday was just new, so they will hold the level for some time, then before they will take a move. So for today, what I will be expecting to see is I will be expecting to see this guy trade back to this level, then I will take them down. All right, and especially when that collide with New York reversal, I would like to take this particular trade. So this is what I'll be expecting from this particular chart, right? Good. Next one. The another one is gold. Gold, we anticipated this yesterday, and we got it here for the start coming down. So this continuation, this actually gave us a perfect analysis. So we'll be expecting this to keep going to downside. So let's go to lower time frame to find where we should be looking forward to take this trade to the downside. Because of FOMC news yesterday, it really destabilized the market. All right, so what we're seeing here is this: we'll have this level, we'll have this. So I'm expecting to have this. Anything that will make this market to find its way to this level, I begin to look for a sell to downside. This is what I'll be expecting from gold. So I'm taking out the previous one, right? Then I'll be also trading AUDUSD. AUDUSD played out well. Sorry, I didn't check this gold stuff. Let's go back to gold. Okay, this was okay. This is actually why I have to go back to 2 hours time frame. Let's go to 4 hours time frame here on AUDUSD. And AUDUSD will have this. All right, so this level here has been taken, and this is a weekly OB, which I would like them to go into. So I'll be looking for a sell. All right, so looking for a sell here. Also, Intels, I will be expecting to see this market play their way up to this level, then flush down. Then from here, I'll be looking forward for um anything, maybe quasi or something, right? That make me to take this market back to this level here, right? So that is, I was expecting a reversal somewhere here. So this market will still go further down to this level. Then from here, I'll be expecting a reversal to this level. So I'll be looking for to sell. Then another one is USD card. USD card is weekly OB. Okay, this weekly OB. So I'm taking out this. They couldn't give us the pullback we're expecting. So, but they hit the level because we were expecting to come down so we can get entry from here to go to the upside, but we couldn't get it, so they had moved, right? But during FMC news, they were somewhere here, so it was FMC that pushed it to this particular level. Then what we're actually expecting is we're expecting for them to come back down so we can enter a trade somewhere here to go to the upside. But as you can see, the market left without taking us along. So what are we now looking at? Now, this is actually a level, a critical level for reversal, but we won't just expect reversal immediately. We expect to see this market play down to this level, then go up and take away the previous level, then give us a break of structure, all right? Then we expect the pullback to this level here. Then from here, they might take it up to this level. So this is what we're expecting from this particular pair, right? So they'll be validating this. This is what we want to see on this particular pair. So my eye will be on this fair value gap here. So that's where my eye will be on this fair value gap here. So I'll be looking for to take a short sell. Then from here, I'll look for a buy to take away this high. Then from here, I'll also see them coming down to this level. Then before the up move. So this might be for next week, but I want to see them do this week from here and also push to the upside. This is what I want to see them do this week. This is USDCHF. USDCHF gave us a very good trade. So we, just as we analyzed, if they will have good two buyers, we'll see the first buyer is for you to come and hit this level and give us this pullback. Then the second buyer is for you to come into to come to this particular level. All right, this level here, and that is a daily average. So, and that was what the news did. The news went and hit the daily average before they start going down. All right, so that was it. USD CHF, CHF is little strong, and that is why it's actually giving USD tough time to kind of pull it around. So what we're still expecting from this market is our analysis is correct. So we'll be taking this particular movement down to the downside. I think this should be the best trade one can actually consider today, especially when you have the confirmation set up in a lower time frame. So we'll have this down. Then I'll zoom in here. So I would like to see this. So this is what I'll be looking at actually. So I want to see them trade into this level here, then go down with it. So let's go straight to other pairs. This is USDJPY. If you watch analysis yesterday, you will see that we actually anticipated this particular move to the upside here before the down. So we had two buyers here. All right, as you can see, it gave us this particular bias because we're actually expecting them to go to the upside before we take a step to the downside. But as you can see, they went up here and they've taken out this particular liquidity here. So I want to see them begin to give us anything that will make this market to reverse from here. So we're still going with our bias for this today. So this bias is still correct. So we're still going with this particular bias. So we want to see them come down, then and come and possibly hit this level. So this is the level I'm expecting to see them come to. Now, this is NZD USD, we analyzed that market going to come back down to this level. That was what we analyzed yesterday, and market did that. But during the news, we saw this push to the upside and came down and closed like this. So this manipulation was actually what invalidated the particular analysis. So we are going back to see what we are looking at on this pair. So let's go straight to weekly time frame and see if there's any level close by we should be looking at. All right, this midweek reversal. All right, so here we'll have this actually on it's on a block. Okay, so inside the block that all this thing has been happening. So what we're actually anticipating to see here is here we'll have H4 unmitigated order block. So let's go to 4 hours. I would like to see a play back to this level here to come down. Then from here, I would like to see kind of something that will make them to take the market back up again. So this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. Nasdaq. Nasdaq will analyze that Nasdaq is going to come to this particular level here, this level here, which is the supply zone. When it hit the supply zone, what happened? It pushed it down. So this is perfect, but it hasn't gotten to the target. But unfortunately, I did not trade this yesterday. So there is a fair value gap. So I would like them to play into this level here too, and then go down. Is what I'll be looking at on this pair. GPJPY. GPJPY will analyze that it's going to come down to this level here, this breaker block, and then go to the upside. So market did that. It came back to this particular level here. All right. Then it broke below to do the stop point. It was news that gave this stop point to the downside. All right. After that, it comes further down before they start going to the upside. But what I want us to understand is because this market did this, the bias has actually been altered. So we won't be expecting it to go this up this fast again. So except we see them break a sort of upside, all right? But for now, they've taken out this trend line liquidity, which is a good one. About this trend line liquidity. So what we're expecting to see now is if you watch here, you will see that we'll have if you watch here, you see that we'll have a gap here. All right, so We want to see this gap come down. We want to see market trade into this gap, which it has done. Then from here, I would like to see a kind of a push to downside, right? That is what I would like to see. On this pair, I want to see this, which they've done, then back down. Then from here, I can now begin to look for a kind of an up move back to get mitigated by this particular block, right? That is what I'm expecting to see. So the next one, this is US30. US30, we anticipated a trade back into this fair value gap. As you can see, we did not get that. So the news actually continued. You know, it held the level to this particular place. It only came to this particular fair value gap here and took it down. So it only entered this FVG here and took it down, right? So that was what they did. So the next move is this straight back to this level and push it down. From here now, we'll now anticipate a push to the upside again. So this is what I'm expecting here. Okay, I think this is where we draw the curtain for today analysis. All right, market may not move aggressive as we are anticipating for today. So please keep your trade simple and keep it just don't hold a long trade because market is really has gotten to a level where market will be kind of reversing. All right, so let's be careful. Thank you very much and do have a perfect trading day.